Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something we all do, but most of us don't do right. Breathing. That's right. It sounds simple, but how we breathe can dramatically change our lives, especially when it comes to stress. We all know that feeling your heart is racing, your mind is cluttered, and everything feels overwhelming. What if I told you that you have a built-in tool to combat that feeling, available 24/7 for free? That tool is deep, intentional breathing. Now, you might have heard this before. Just take a deep breath. It's common advice, but it's often a one-off suggestion. The real magic happens when you turn deep breathing from a temporary fix into a daily routine. Just like brushing your teeth or having your morning coffee, making space for a few minutes of focused breathing every day can create profound and lasting changes in your stress levels. So, how do we build this routine? It's all about consistency, not intensity. You don't need an hour a day. Let's start with just 5 minutes. Find a quiet spot where you won't be interrupted. You can sit comfortably in a chair with your feet on the floor, or you can lie down. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your belly. This will help you feel the movement of your breath. Now, close your eyes and gently breathe in through your nose for a count of 4. Feel your belly expand and rise against your hand. The hand on your chest should move very little. This is called diaphragmatic breathing or belly breathing, and it's key to activating your body's relaxation response. Once you've inhaled, hold that breath gently for a count of 4. Don't strain, just pause. Next, exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. As you exhale, imagine all the tension and stress leaving your body with your breath. Feel your belly fall. Repeat this cycle. Inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 6. The longer exhale is important because it helps slow your heart rate and calm your nervous system. If your mind starts to wander, and it will just gently guide your focus back to the sensation of your breath. The key to making this a habit is linking it to something you already do. This is called habit stacking. Maybe you can practice for 5 minutes right after you wake up, before you check your phone, or perhaps during your lunch break, before you start eating. You could even do it in your car, after you park at work, or when you get home. Attaching this new breathing routine to an existing habit makes it much easier to remember and stick with. When you practice daily, you're not just managing stress in the moment. You're training your nervous system to be more resilient over time. You'll start to notice that you're less reactive to stressful situations. Instead of automatically going into fight or flight mode, your body will have a new, calmer default setting. This simple, powerful practice can improve your focus, lower your blood pressure, and even help you sleep better. So my challenge to you is this. For the next week, commit to 5 minutes of intentional breathing every single day. Set a reminder on your phone if you need to. Notice how you feel before and after each session. You might be surprised at how quickly you start to feel the benefits. It's a small investment of time for a huge return in your overall well-being. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. I'd love to hear how your breathing practice goes, so drop a comment below and share your experience. See you in the next video.